Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the document and gathering assets so you can move fast. Open Word and set page size and margins. Use sections if you want mixed layouts. Import all photos into a single folder and rename files for order. This saves time when inserting. Create a simple cover page with title and date range. Once done, insert a blank page for the first entry and save the file with a clear name so you never lose progress. Now you design repeatable page templates so the journal feels cohesive. Insert pictures and choose whether to link or embed. Link to keep file size small, embed for portability. Use tables or anchored text boxes to lock image and caption positions. Wrap text tight for precise placement. Apply consistent caption styles and use the Format Painter to copy formatting quickly. Make a master page by saving a template or finish by proofreading captions and checking image quality so prints look sharp. Use Print Preview and adjust margins or bleeds as needed, then export to PDF for sharing or printing. Export embeds fonts for consistent appearance. If Word changes your layout, re-anchor images, set fixed positions, or convert problematic pages to images before reinserting. One key troubleshooting tip. If images jump on export, select Images and set Wrap to in front of text and lock anchor. This stabilizes layout across devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.